Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to post to groups in LinkedIn. This is a great way to share valuable content, spark discussions, and connect with like-minded professionals in your industry. Let's jump right in and get you posting. First, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your profile. This is where all your professional networking happens, so having easy access is key. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Groups. This is your gateway to all the LinkedIn groups you're a part of, whether they're industry-specific, alumni networks, or interest-based communities. Go ahead and click on Groups to see the full list of communities you've joined. Now, from the groups you're part of, find and click on the specific group where you want to post. This could be a marketing group, a tech community, or any other group relevant to what you want to share. Clicking on it will take you directly to that group's page where you can see recent posts, discussions, and member activity. Once you're on your group's page, look for the option that says Start a Public Post. This button is usually prominently displayed near the top of the group feed, making it easy to find. Clicking it will open up a post creation window where you can start crafting your message. Now it's time to create your post. Type out whatever you want to share with the group, whether it's a question, an article, or an insight from your work. But here's where it gets more interesting. LinkedIn gives you several options to enhance your post beyond just text. You can click the emoji icon to add some personality with emojis. If you want to include visuals, click the image icon to upload photos or graphics. There's also a celebration icon that lets you celebrate an occasion like a work anniversary or a new achievement. If you're hiring, you can share that you're looking for talent. You can even create a poll to gather opinions, add a document for more in-depth sharing, or find an expert to tag in your post. These features make your post more engaging and interactive. Once you've crafted your post and added any extra elements you want, it's time to share it with the group. Simply click the post button, and your content will be published to the group feed for all members to see and engage with. And that's it. Your post is now live in the LinkedIn group, ready to start conversations and build connections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.